The 1920s were a time of great prosperity in the United States. The economy was thriving, and people were making a lot of money. However, as the decade came to a close, the clouds of economic disaster were already gathering on the horizon. On October 29, 1929, the stock market crashed, and the Great Depression began. Millions of people lost their savings, and the economy plummeted. The government knew that it had to act fast to avoid a complete collapse. In order to stimulate the economy, President Franklin D. Roosevelt implemented a number of measures, including the Gold Standard Act of 1934. This act required the government to purchase a set amount of gold each year in order to stabilize the value of the dollar. The government's gold accumulation efforts were aided by the discovery of new gold deposits in the United States, particularly in the western states. The increased supply of gold helped bring down the price of the metal, making it more affordable for the government to purchase. By the end of the 1930s, the government had accumulated a significant amount of gold, which helped shore up the value of the dollar and stabilize the economy. However, the effects of the Great Depression would be felt for years to come, and the government's gold accumulation efforts were just one part of a broader recovery plan. The Great Depression was a difficult and trying time for the United States, and the government had to take a number of measures in order to try and stimulate the economy and help the country recover. These measures included not only the accumulation of gold but also the implementation of various economic policies and programs designed to get people back to work and get the economy moving again. As the United States entered into the Second World War, the government's focus shifted from economic recovery to the war effort. But the lessons of the Great Depression and the importance of a strong economy were never forgotten. The government's decision to accumulate gold during the 1920s and 1930s was a crucial step in helping the United States recover from the economic challenges of the time, and the importance of this decision cannot be overstated. The accumulation of gold helped to stabilize the value of the dollar and gave people confidence in the economy, which was essential in the face of the challenges and uncertainties of the time. Today, the United States continues to maintain a strong and stable economy, thanks in part to the lessons learned during the difficult times of the Great Depression. The gold accumulation efforts of the 1920s and 1930s played a crucial role in the recovery and rebuilding of the United States, and will always be remembered as a turning point in the nation's history. The government's decision to accumulate gold helped stabilize the value of the dollar and gave people confidence in the economy, which was crucial in the face of the challenges and uncertainties of the time. The importance of a strong economy cannot be overstated, and the gold accumulation efforts of the 1920s and 1930s serve as a reminder of the steps that can be taken to achieve economic stability and prosperity. It is important to remember the lessons of the past in order to build a stronger and more stable future for ourselves and future generations. The accumulation of gold was just one part of the overall recovery plan, but it played a crucial role in helping the United States bounce back from the economic challenges of the time and pave the way for a brighter future.